Do you need to make your subject stand out like a pro portrait? Here's how to blur the background in Photoshop using the 2025 tools. So first thing you want to do is you have a lot of options. You need to choose which options you want for the blurring. You have the bokeh blur, the Gaussian blur, tilt shift blur, and the iris blur. And here's how to blur the background using layers step by step. So first, you want to use the select drop down menu and choose the subject. Photoshop can usually find the subject using content aware AI. Then you want to avoid gauzy or ghost-like edges on the main subject. Expand the subject selection area by about 5 pixels or so. That way the edges of the subject will still appear sharp in front of a blurred background. Then you want to mask it. Make a new layer mask of the subject, and this will ensure your edits are non-destructive and you can always go back to the original image. Then lastly is in the layers panel, go to the background layer, use the filter menu, select the blur tool, choose which type of blur you want to use, and adjust accordingly with the blur slider. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification